Think about a switch, it's bright or it's dark, on or off, only a simple mark. That's how the phone in your pocket today turns bits into logic in a binary way. Billions of switches to zeros and ones, fire them together, the work always runs. But what if a switch could be two things combined, halfway in between like a dimmer in mind? That's a strange magic where quantum begins. Not bits but qubits, both losses and wins. A qubit's a coin that you spin in the air, not heads or tails, yet it's both hanging there. With coins that are spinning, outcomes expand, exploring the pathways no human had planned. While normal machines test one maze at a go, quantum can check every path that might show. Not for your TikTok or scrolling your feed, but solving the puzzles where giants concede. That's why the hype, the excitement is real, cracking what even supercomputers will on dreams. It's not just for gadgets or faster new toys, but solving the struggles that silence our joys. From cancer to aging, diseases that bind, quantum may open the locks in our mind.